Want to qualify leads faster and streamline your sales process? In this quick guide, I'll show you how CRM custom fields can help you do just that, boosting your efficiency and ensuring you're working with the best leads in no time. Stick around till the end to learn how you can start using this feature today with an exclusive free trial. First off, custom fields in your CRM allow you to add personalized data points to your lead profiles. This means you can capture exactly what's relevant for your business, whether it's lead source, company size, or specific needs. By customizing your CRM this way, you don't have to sift through generic info. Instead, you can focus on the details that matter most for your qualification process. Now, why does this matter? With the right custom fields, you can quickly segment your leads based on their readiness to buy. For instance, adding a budget field helps you identify which leads can afford your product or service, saving you from wasting time on tire kickers. Similarly, adding a decision maker field ensures you're targeting the right person within a company. Setting up custom fields is simple. Most CRMs will let you create these fields from your dashboard. You'll want to pick the fields that give you the most insight into your lead's potential. Things like their pain points, their industry, or even their timeline for purchase are critical. The more relevant data you collect, the quicker you can qualify them. Once you've got your custom fields in place, it's all about automation. CRM software can help you set up rules or workflows that prioritize leads based on these fields. For example, you could set your CRM to alert you when a lead checks a box indicating they're ready to make a decision soon. Or if a lead falls into a specific budget range, your system can push them to the top of your follow-up list. What's even better is that you can track how your leads move through the pipeline using these fields. By doing so, you'll easily spot patterns in your qualified leads, helping you improve your lead qualification process over time. This is critical because the quicker you can move a lead through the pipeline, the more sales you'll close. The CRM software we're using today, which you can get access to through the exclusive free trial, linked in the description below, allows you to seamlessly add these custom fields and set up the automations that save you hours of manual work. Plus, it integrates with your existing workflows to streamline the entire process. Let's quickly recap. To qualify leads faster with CRM custom fields. First, customize your CRM to capture the data that matters, like budget or decision-making authority. Second, automate the process to prioritize leads based on these fields. Third, track and analyze this data to refine your qualification process. And finally, use a CRM that integrates all of this into a smooth, efficient workflow. One key takeaway from today's video: custom fields are a game changer for qualifying leads quickly. You've got to focus on the right data and automate where possible, so you can spend less time qualifying and more time selling. Before you go, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial for the software we used in today's video. It's linked in the description below. Take advantage of it and start qualifying leads faster today.